Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. It is a great day here at Ngavi AutoCAD 2D drawing, GaviCAD, and we are here to continue with our AutoCAD sessions. It is a great day here because as I'm looking through our channel, people are taking it a point to to watch the videos, and they are commenting, liking, sharing them. So today we are here to talk more about the software. So today I came with an interesting topic which talks about utilities and the clipboard. The two sections, utilities and the clipboard. It is very simple here because we have a few items here in the utilities and the clipboard. We shall begin with the utilities. So when we come to utilities, we have a drop down, and the drop down, it will show us also another drop down here which we are going to measure. If we click down, utilities can be used to measure quick distances, a distance. It can also use to measure radius. It can measure an angle. It can measure area and also volume. So today we are going to talk about these ones. So if I have a rectangle here, and I would like, let's say, to measure the distance from here up to here, or the length. What I do, I come to utilities, drop downs, distance, and I click the first point, also click the next point. It will be able to show me the distance from this point up to this point. I can also measure the width by taking distance from this point up to this point. It can show us the distance. So that's it with the length. What about the radius? Let's say if we have a circle of an unknown radius here, and we'd like to know the radius of this circle, what we shall do, we shall come here on measure and then radius, and we select the circle or the arc. So if it's this circle, I select it, it is able to show me the radius of this circle. Let's say I had a small circle inside it. A small circle inside it. And I would like to measure the radius of this circle. I would come select this one, and it shows me the radius. What about if I had an arc? Let's say a 3-point arc. What if I had a 3-point arc and I come to measure the radius of this? I come to this point and I select this arc. It is able to show me also the radius of this arc. So another thing, we are in the utilities, we have measurement of angles. Let's say we have a polyline and that escape, and would like to measure the angle from this point up to this point. What we do, we come to utilities, measure angle, select the first line and also select the second line, and it is able to show us the angle we have selected here. What if we had escape another line here, from here up to here, press escape, and I would like to measure the angle of this one. Come select the first line and also select the second line. And it shows me the angle here. Then angles also are taken from arcs. Angles can also be taken from arcs. Let's say if we have this angle, I can measure the angle and select an arc, a circle. If I measure this circle, this arc, it shows me the angle which touches both the ends of the arc. So from here up to here, it is 127 degrees. If I had the circle, and check this, it shows me each and every angle I go through. So that's it with the utilities. What else? We have area. If I click on this area and I want to check the I select an object here and come and select this object, which is a circle. It is able to show me the area of this and the circumference. What if I had this rectangle? I click area and select object here and come to the object, and it is able to show me the area of this and the perimeter. Yeah, so that's it. What if we had what any object? Let's say we wanted to look for an area of this inside the part here. What could we do? If I come and I look for area here, and I cannot be able to find this area here. So what we do, I talked it in the last video, what we do, we have to come to hatching properties and look for boundary, and this one is we press OK and select the internal point, which is this point, press enter, and this one will be a defined boundary. Yeah, so when we come to calculate area and we select the object, we will select this object, and it is able to show us the area of this and the perimeter of this. Yeah, so that's what is in with utilities. If I say, let me see, I can measure the volume of the object. I look for this one and specify the height, let's say, which is 100. Press enter. Yeah, it can be able to show me the volume. Yeah, it means that it has moved this circle upwards by 10 millimeters, and it is giving us the volume. What if I had that one of rectangle? I come select this object, come select this one. You ask me to specify the height, let's say 200. Press enter. It will be able to show me the volume of this here. So we have also here, we have a quick select. We also have select all. Yeah, and then also in the utilities we have a quick calculator. Yeah, a quick calculator. When you click on this quick calculator, it is able to show us a quick calculator here. Let's say if you had your calculation here, you can do it. Let's say 5 plus 8. When you press equals, it will be able to show us our answer here. Yeah, we can also make powers. Let's say 7 to power squared or to power 6, and it is also able to show us the answer here. Yeah, so this one is a quick calculator, and it can be able to do your things very well and easily. Yeah, so we have scientific. It can also look for sines, cos, cosec, tangents, logs of this, of any numbers. We can also be able to convert units from meters to, yeah, you can, let's say, choose this and we look for feet, maybe to millimeters, meters. We enter the value to convert like 12, and when we converted value, it shows us this value. Yeah, if this one, let's say it is in inches, it shows us how it converts it. Yeah, also we can look for variables. Yeah, all those it can be able to do it. So this is the quick calculator, which can be found in the utilities tab. Yeah, so we have ID point and point styles. We can be able to check the points and change the point styles. Yeah, so that one was it about the utilities. And another one, it is just Clipboard. Clipboard has cut, paste, and also copy. Yeah, which is very simple. If I make this, if I, let's say, select this circle and I come here to Clipboard and I cut it, and I come to come, let's say, to this point, escape and paste, I come to this point, I can be able to paste it there. Yeah, if let's say I can select this clipboard, I cut it and also paste it somewhere where I want to paste. Yeah, that is it. Then another one is copy. You know, we talked about copying and pasting. All those are found here. Let's say this one is making a copy, copying. This is moving, but on the clipboard we can copy from one document to another. Let's say we have we open another document here. I can maybe look for this. Open. And this object comes. It is still loading. It is still loading. Let's say if I select this point and I come to my clipboard and I copy it, copy, and I come back to my drawing and I clipboard, I paste, it will look for me where to insert the point. Can be able to bring it here, and it is copied like that, and it is seen very well. Yeah, so that is the use of the clipboard. Yeah, so with that information today, let me hope we can be able to use the utilities and the clipboard at the same time. Yeah, to make our drawings very easier and neat and without repeating any other objects. So if you are new on this channel, I'm called Godfrey and I'm from AutoCAD Training. Consider subscribing to our channel and always hit the notification bell such that you can never miss out on any upload. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye. Let me see you in our next video.